Tragic breaking news. An Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner has just crashed minutes after takeoff from Ahmedabad. It was headed to London's Gatwick Airport with 242 people on board. The aircraft gave a mayday signal, then vanished. It crashed into a doctor's hostel near the airport. Eyewitnesses saw fire, thick black smoke, people pulled from the wreckages, and rushed away in stretches. Among those on board, 169 Indians, 53 Brits, 7 Portuguese nationals, and 1 Canadian. India's health minister has confirmed many lives were lost. Flight Radar 24 shows the last signal comes just seconds after takeoff. No answers yet, but rescue operations are underway. Prime Minister Modi has ordered full emergency support, and as the world watches in shock, as families wait for news, all we can do is pray.